Hello friends, subscribe my channel QCard. Describe a live sports match that you have watched. You should say what was it, when did you watch it, what was it like, and how did you feel about it. Let's start. As a cricket enthusiast, I have uncanny ability to watch the cricket match. I usually enjoy watching cricket match from the convenience of my house. On one occasion, I traveled to Mumbai specifically to watch a live cricket match. It was one day international match between India and Sri Lanka. It was a World Cup final which was the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. It was a classical match for a team India where they lifted the World Cup after 28 years. It was played on the 2nd of April in the year 2011 on Saturday. The atmosphere inside the stadium was magnificent. The stadium was overcrowded. People from distant nations and competing teams attend the match. In addition, the atmosphere was captivating as everyone chanted Vande Mataram to encourage the team India. When India won the game, the audience went completely insane. I felt emotionally enriched by the encounter as I am a huge fan of the Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I felt so relieved that once in my lifetime I watched my ideal play, such as the crucial knock for a Team India in a final match. However, that match held a great importance as it was the match which was going to decide if Sachin could play in future or not. Conclusion: unforgettable experience of that match could be forever be imprinted into my memory. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.